Okay. Walker mobile. Walker wants to work on his bike now.
Duh.
What was that? I didn't catch that.
Duh.
Duh. Duh what? Is that your name? Duh.
Where's... I don't see it. You said it's on the floor.
It is on the floor.
Where?
Right by the fire extinguisher.
Oh, behind everything?
In case there's a massive fire. I'm being safe. Jeez.
Just want to measure the...
Didn't want to have an explosive area around here. I'm sure it's still got that year-old gas in it.
Oh, it totally does.
Good. That's perfect.
It's race gas. It never goes bad.
That's right. That's what I heard. There's a good fuel tank right there. So Walker is playing around with oil lines and fuel tank. And the lunchbox is staying or going now?
Well, we're keeping it for now.
We're keeping it for now. Then
Yeah.
we can redesign everything twice. So he's going to get some hard lines. Did you find any hard lines?
Yeah. I found a whole lot of
So we're going to put hard lines through here, but we're going to have the rubber compliance fittings.
We have ample.
We have ample of what? That's steel.
What? Yeah, that's the only thing that's in there.
And out of all that big box, that's all I had left in lines.
Yes.
There's no more copper. There's no more.
Well, there's copper, but I'm not going to run copper.
There's no more 5/16s.
I'm not going to
There's no
run
more
5/16.
3/8 copper.
I'm not going to have it looking like a fucking water heater.
You don't like the water heaters?
No.
We got to get some water heaters.
See? That's too small.
That's 1/4 inch. That's bent line material. This is 5/16 steel in here. Well, there's a regulator for my Ford truck. Good thing we're not doing that. This is the junk ass 3/8. That's all I got left, huh?
Yeah. I mean, unless you have it somewhere else.
That was a 25-foot roll.
Well, it's definitely like 2 feet now.
That RL took it all. All right, so you don't have any other line?
You don't have any other line.
Oh, I got lots of other line.
Where is it?
Over there.
Over where?
Over there.
Let's go look.
It's right there. Can you see it from here?
No.
How long before Walker finds a hidden line that's not hidden? That's air line, that's close.
Will it get warmer?
You're getting there.
I have a feeling it's like all the way back up here somewhere.
There, you're walking right by it because it's right next to you.
Here?
It's a 20-foot length of it on the floor.
Where?
20
Use your
foot,
words.
20-foot length on the floor, right in front of you.
Right here?
Yeah, right in front of you.
Oh, right in front of me, he says.
Yes,
Where?
right in front of you on the floor.
That light definitely helped out a lot.
Okay, I'll turn it off if you don't like it.
Where is it? No, it says fender.
Right there,
In that box?
on the floor.
There?
Yeah,
That's rubber tubing.
I said 20-foot length. You know how long 20 feet is?
Oh, it's... I thought it was coil.
See that? Those tubes down there?
That one?
There's 2 of them down there. They're full of stuff.
They're full of stuff, huh?
Guess where it goes to?
Stuff and things.
It goes down the other end of that building is where it goes to. It comes out underneath over here.
Alright, so how are we going to get it out?
But that's very expensive stuff because it's 20-foot straight lengths, not coil. But it's stainless. Lots of it. Probably 5 or 6 links in there at least.
We're only going to need half of one.
Half of one length?
Yeah, at the most.
That'd be 10 feet.
Maybe. I think we'd need like 6.
You know what it's going to take to get that out of there? You got to move all this crap out of the way. We put all those panhead parts in the way. Jeez. Yes, it's panhead parts. It does weigh a couple pounds. I just said to take off a little at a time would probably be the way to go.
Whatever.
Whatever. I'm thinking this one box is going to be heavy.
It doesn't look like it was that heavy.
That's because you weren't the one looking at it. Right now. Can you handle the kickstand box?
Probably not. I can do it with my left hand.
What about both boxes together then?
Probably.
Okay. What's that down there? It's like a manhole cover down there.
It is.
What's in there?
Do you have your calipers?
My calipers?
Yeah, where are your calipers?
You're not going to bend that line getting out of there, are you?
Nope, probably not. I'll bend it if you get shit out of the way.
You can move it the other way.
Oh, that's great noise.
How many links is that? Oh, we ran into Walker junk down there.
That's not mine. Look, we can push it all the way down.
Once you get the pieces already cut.
Where?
We're down 15 feet already.
I can't get my hand in there.
You can't get it in there.
Nope. That's about as far as we're gonna go.
There, it came out the other end. I don't know why you didn't grab the short length. Look at that. It goes way down there.
Because it's all the way in there and I can't put my arm that far.
How far in is all the way in?
Like 8 inches.
8 inches. Can
You
see
can't
the one-
reach in there. My
Can you
hands
see the one that's cut, or is it just more of the same?
There's bigger ones. I think there's one that's cut.
I know there's one that's cut in half. I cut one in half for a customer and they didn't want it.
But I can't reach in there.
He pissed me off when he did that. Walker can't make it reach. We'll make it reach. Oh, somebody left the front door wide open while I went back. I don't know who would do that. Got that one, we got this one. One of these two ought to do the trick. There you go. One of those two ought to work.
Let's use this guy.
Did you figure out how to use that? How do you use that? Oh, look at that. That gets snot boogers out of your butt too.
Snot boogers out of my butt.
Yep. You have to clean them though after you're done with them. You didn't bring the flashlight with you?
I have one on my phone.
Oh. Get a phone light. How many are in there?
Let me see. 3.
3?
3 3/8.
Oh, 3 3/8. Okay.
I think there's a step up and a step down.
Should be a bunch of 3/16 in there.
Nope.
No?
2,
2?
maybe.
That's 40 feet. They wanted over 20 bucks a foot when I initially bought that shit. But when you buy 1,000 feet of tubing, they give you a better price.
I bet. Dude, this is stupid.
Did you get it?
No,
Why?
because it's stupid.
Get the good one now, huh? See, that one goes into the tube and grabs it.
This is worse than those claw games that you get at fucking
Oh.
arcade.
This isn't a claw game? You'd shoot if their damn little mouse came running out of there, wouldn't you?
I would punch it into oblivion.
What if a Pac-Man came in after you?
If a rat came out or a snake, I'd be very upset.
Well, a snake would be a good one, yeah.
It's not getting it.
You ain't getting it?
Nope.
Somebody got a kickstand laying on top of the box over there?
Probably. Let me try one more time.
All right. Ah. Looks like about the right wall thickness. I don't think this stuff even said what it was on it. No. No riding. What's that squeaky noise? Yeah, it goes from here all the way over there. What happened?
It didn't get it. That's what
You
happened.
didn't get it?
Not gonna happen. Not with either of those things.
Not with either one of those two?
Nope.
All right, we'll see what we can do.
He thinks he can grab it. He thinks he can do it. Let's see.
I can do it. I can do something else. I got another way of getting it out of there, though. The thing is, what length is it? How come there's spiders in there? So you can't see. It looks like they're all straight lengths. So I'm guessing we cut the other one, the short one. That small one in there, I bet you is the one that's cut. Where'd this come from?
The end of the one that we pulled out.
Oh, so those are the 5/16s?
3/16.
3/16s?
3/8.
3/8?
One of those.
One of those numbers? Whichever one sounds the best.
Yeah. Let's see if you can do it. I want to be playing like the Jeopardy music.
So you're thinking this might not come out of there?
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm thinking.
I think there's a kickstand on top of this container down there. That's what I think. It's definitely not moving. I only see one of this big.
Yeah, there's one big, there's two smaller, and then three of the same.
It's probably a 1/2 inch. Is that big?
Actually, I think there's.
I bet you it's the 3/16 is the one that got cut. Because the big one's a 1/2 inch.
Yeah, that's a big boy.
Yeah, that's the big one. Yeah, it's not moving. Yep. She's on there. I'll get it out.
Eventually. Well, we got this to work with.
You got to work with it. I don't get enough money.
Yeah, we do. Sponsored race ride. Oh, there's a tripod. Grab this thing back. Oh, we're going back? He's got a tool.
This tire's flat over here. Mirrored it.
Yeah, it's going to get a flat spot.
Another big flat spot, isn't it?
Yeah, see, that won't work because it's 1/2 inch.
You don't like this one? You sure? You don't like the high flow one?
I don't have the high flow fittings.
Oh, it fit. Perfect. There you go. I bet you it's not cut. I think the one that's cut is the small one. That's why it's in there.
I mean, you can definitely see the cut marks on it.
Yeah. Well, I don't know how you cut it off, but it's in there. That one I'd have to have a small scribe type thing to go in there. A piece of welding rod might do the trick, but probably not. Need a piece of, I need a 12-inch long pliers will do it. You got a set of those laying around in your back pocket?
I do not.
You don't? Oh, I can see all kind of hidden stuff under there now. Yep, there it is. Yeah, there's 3 links of the 3/16 in there. Yep. One of those got cut. I think the 3/8 are all full length.
Yeah.
So, keeps the rats out.
Cool.
All right, well, I got it out.
Oh yeah, you had to use a different tool though. See, he didn't give me another tool, so he's like, oh hey, check it out, how I totally did it with something completely different than what I gave Walker. Hey, imagine that, right?
You're making fun of me again. It's out.
All right, let's start bending.
Where's your money?
It's right here in my pocket.
This stuff ain't cheap. You don't even know how thickness this is yet. Where's your Harley fittings at?
Over here.
You can leave it work. We got no light on.
What?
There, now you can see better.
Right, tiny Lucy.
Yep. Did you install them all? Did you steal my water?
My water?
Where'd you get it from?
You bought it from me. Remember? He was like, anybody want anything? And I was like, me. Water. You don't even drink water. You drink Diet 7-Up. That's 100 degrees.
No, it's way too cold. So this is a Harley Davidson compliance fitting for an oil filter. If you have an S&S pump. These are S&S boards. This is 92 to 99 Evo. Do you think it's going to work?
Well, no. If not, we're going to have to put it all back. It appears that it might work.
Look at that.
Fancy. That's going to be awesome.
Fits.
Perfect.
Perfect. You're making a curve in my line. Look at that.
There you go. I think that might work with some of the recurves that we have to do. Awesome.
Awesome. All right, so what are we gonna do?
Run a line from the oil pump to the filter, then from the filter to this guy right here.
Which guy?
This guy. And then this guy goes. Wait. This guy goes to here because that's the vent, right?
One of those is vent, one's feed. I don't make the tank. Who made the tank?
Harley Davidson.
They didn't make that tank. Both those holes go all the way in, and they got tubes in them.
No tubes.
The vent should be the one on this side.
Then we have the drain down.
Where's your feed at? Oh, feed's on the back corner. Where's your baffling at?
What?
Where's the baffling?
It goes back here, and then it goes in and out.
So is this connected to that back corner at all? So the baffle goes lengthwise this way?
I can't remember, dude. It was like a year ago.
What's the farthest route to go? This fitting or this fitting? Okay, so this will be your return line. This will be your vent line.
Yep.
Unless there's a reason to do it differently, that's how it be. And this is your return line right here. That goes to your oil filter down there. And from the oil filter goes back up to here. This vent line here, it goes all the way to here.
So this goes to here. Where does the oil pump go?
I don't know which one goes to what because we haven't figured out which side that feeds and which one's return.
It can go either way, right?
Nope. There's a filter in there.
Oh, so this is where it comes in. This is where it goes out
How do you know?
because of the way that the filter's put in.
So where's the inside of the filter at?
The hole of the filter is down here.
So that would be the
In-
return. Opposite way.
It's the opposite way.
You suck out the middle of the filter, the external filter has all the area to catch the shit. If you do it the other way, you're going to have a little small circle. If you do it the other way, you get a big circle. Big circle has more area. So the oil always comes from the outside, goes into the inside, and back out.
Okay.
So you have to see which side is the inside. If this corner is the inside, that's the return. That's the feed over there. So this here, or this one here would have to go that far side one over there.
Okay.
So you got to figure out how you want this stuff to go. You have to make up a route. So first thing I do is get the filter apart and figure out which line goes to where, so we know which one it goes to. Now the feed line is down here in the oil pump. And that goes to the bottom of the oil tank over there. And you don't have a drain, so the feed line is going to be the drain. Which is a bad way of doing things, but
Where?
Walker likes doing it the bad way. See, an Allen wrench. So the first thing I do is figure out how you can make these lines. Okay, we are not going to take my stainless steel line and just butcher up a bunch of it and throw it away like I had to do with that copper shit I was using, which pissed me off. So this is called test line.
Test line, huh?
It means you run it from here to however you want to run it. And if we like it, we'll duplicate it into hard line. And if we don't like it, we'll do a different thing. We'll grab out some more TIG rod and bend up more of it. Because this stuff is cheap and I just flatten out and reuse it. I know how to weld on uneven surfaces. So you want to go over to here, right?
Mm-hmm.
You want to go from here. Where's your dikes?
I don't know, where are they?
I don't know. Where's your bending tools?
I don't know where those are, but I got your dikes right here.
Those aren't dikes, those are needle nose. No, those are dikes. Those aren't the red handle ones I remember seeing.
Well, your red handle ones weren't over there.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, yeah.
Where? The
Yeah.
ambulance.
Where's your tube bender at?
I don't know.
I don't know. Who does?
You can use it.
Walker needs a tube bender. What do you got? What's that?
So,
There's a hole at.
the hole is all the way down there to the right here.
Goes in here?
Hmm?
Goes in that hole on the side way down there?
Yeah.
So this is going to the tank. This is out. This is in. This is in. It comes right through here.
Mm-hmm.
Goes through the outside of the filter. Comes out through the inside. Goes down there. And that goes down there. Like that.
So all the bad stuff goes on the outside of this?
Yes. Do you have a spring?
Yes.
Good. Alright, so that's how that's supposed to be.
So outside and in. Definitely wish it went the other way. Make things less complicated. Huh. Cool. Alright, I'm putting on the cylinder just to mock it up with the head. I can put the exhaust so we know where everything's going for now. So we know that everything will get out of the way. Because it would be stupid to plan this out without everything all mapped up. Scratching all the chrome. What the fuck is going on? Losing my fucking mind. Alright. Perfect. All right. So now we got the root. We'll be able to find the proper route. So they're gonna have to come in through here, up. And this guy gonna go through there, that little hole right there, and then down over here. So now we wait for Tatro to give out.